Hello everyone. Here we have a couple of Carrier Tech 2000 units that I've seen while walking down this way from the units over there. Yeah, here are the dual zone Carrier Tech 2000 units. They're not the silencer system ones. But yeah, here I'm gonna start with the small one and go with the big one. This one has been running. This one has not. This one might start up on me. Here's this one. It's got a reciprocating compressor. Probably a Copeland, probably a Bristol. It's got a GE fan motor. It is from 2004. Yep, that definitely has been running. But yeah, here is the bigger one. It's also got a GE fan motor. It's got the horseshoe blades. So it also has like a reciprocating compressor. So the other one's got a Millennium scroll. Looks like it's also from 2004. Got a big Carrier Tech 2000 and a small Carrier Tech 2000. Two different sizes of Carrier Tech 2000. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take a good picture. Yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.